Hello fellow sleep seekers, my name is Adriana, reporting for the Sleep Sherpa, and today we'll be unboxing and reviewing SoundAsleep's Dream Series Air Mattress with Comfort Coil Technology. It never ceases to amaze me just how companies are able to reduce the size of their products for sake of shipment. It is crazy. I mean, we're talking about a queen size bed here with a double height, and it all fit into an 18 by 14 by 8 package. Unbelievable. However, one catch here is that the package is 20 pounds, so it's pretty heavy. But getting it out of the box, very simple, very easy. One really nice thing is that they do include a carry-on bag so that, once you've opened the mattress, you've inflated it, you've used it, let's say you want to put it away, store it somewhere for the time being, you don't have to try to fit it back into a cardboard box, thank God, so you could just fit it into a nice carry bag like this, just to keep things as simple as possible. The mattress itself is quite heavy, and it's evident that it's been made with a thick and durable material, without question. They include a pamphlet here to give you a bit more information, and now I'm gonna go ahead and just, roll out the bed. One reviewer on Amazon actually mentioned that the Air mattress has a strong plastic smell. It's almost as if he was referring to the off-gassing that's associated with compacted foam mattresses, but there is absolutely nothing of the sort. This mattress smells like any other Air mattress, because Air mattresses are usually made from PVC or a textile reinforced urethane plastic or rubber. There is a slight scent associated to those types of materials, but it's incredibly subtle and not irritating in any way at all. Another review that I read on Amazon was by someone who claimed that the mattress felt like a pillow top mattress. But I do not want to disillusion anyone here. This mattress does not feel like a pillow top mattress. It could feel like a pillow top mattress, perhaps with the proper mattress topper. So I've got the mattress laid out pretty well, and you guys are gonna get a glimpse of the internal air pump. The fact that they've included this in their product, I feel it's an essential element just for the utmost convenience for inflation and deflation. And this is my little boy, this is my baby Ziggy. So this is a close-up of the internal air pump, and I'm sure that you must be wondering how loud this internal air pump is. So here we go. So when it comes to SoundAsleep's Dream Series Air Mattress, I have to say that it is very different in comparison to what I've seen and experienced before. I've never purchased an air mattress before for at-home use, only when I've gone camping and things of that sort. But I can see how this is incredibly useful and convenient in so many different ways. I mean, for instance, when it does come to camping and you get to your campsite at night, trying to inflate a mattress is not all that exciting. So having that part built in is amazing, and the fact that it also helps you deflate the mattress is great. It took less than 5 minutes to actually inflate the mattress. However, it was pretty loud, so it's not something I would, suggest doing late at night, if someone in your house or apartment is sleeping, but it sets up really quick. The fact that it is so tall is also really nice, because you're not just so low to the floor where it feels awkward. You can comfortably get on and off the bed, and there's no crazy challenge involved. As far as edge support is concerned, you should be careful because it does not have very good edge support. So if you're sleeping on this alone or with someone and you're both fairly slender, okay, that's fine. However, for someone that's not, I mean, I would just be a little bit prepared because you can roll off the bed just super easily. And I'd say that's one of the ways in which air mattress companies can improve is by providing better edge support. And I can understand that's a challenge, and it's also difficult because a lot of people want to have compact packages, compact air mattresses. I mean, this comes with a really nice carry-on, but as far as edge support, it is not the best. But also, I mean, for me, it wouldn't personally be a deal breaker at all, because no matter what bed you're on, I think you know to be careful when you're along that edge of it. On Amazon, this mattress has about 14,000 reviews and it is rated 4.3 out of 5 stars, which is pretty incredible. The mattress goes for about $120, and that may seem pricey to some people, maybe not to others, but I do have to say I think you're really getting your money's worth in this case. I mean, super convenient, inflation device is built in. It is much taller. It is comfortable. It looks nice as well, but I think the best part about it is that you actually have a 1-year warranty. So if anything happens to it, you know, you can actually get a replacement. So I would say that's the best part of this product actually, is knowing that you buy it and if something happens like for a year, like you're covered, you know, so that $120 over the course of 12 months doesn't seem like that big of an expense. And I mean, to be frank, I think it just depends like what you're looking for, how often you'll be using it. From my own perspective, like even if I took this camping with me a few times a year, it would be more than worth my money just because of how convenient it is. So that wraps it up for today's review of SoundAsleep's Dream Series Air Mattress. I hope this has been helpful to you guys, and subscribe for more sleep related reviews. Take it easy.